Domo minasan, ore wa Kazami desu. And today I'm going to show you how to draw some anime. Now, it's very scary and daunting for a lot of people, especially when they're beginning, but I'll show you that it really isn't. So here I have my neutral grey background. I like it because it lets me see the colors better and doesn't hurt my eyes. Now I'm just going to start drawing a stick figure. We've all drawn stick figures. So, and this specific stick figure has nothing special. There's just a little bit more emphasis on the shoulders and how I want it to be. So, yep. Now I'm drawing the cross for the face, so I know where the person's facing. Just gonna sketch in some hair real quick. Nothing fancy here. Now, what you need to do here is grab your smoothing tool and refining tool, and then ink it. Here we go, and that's it. Now you've got your basic lines. Now I'm gonna block this out with a bit of a wider color and using a bigger brush. There's a setting you can use. It's called Protect Alpha, I think. So no matter what you do, you won't draw out of your lines. Now I'm gonna put some color onto it. You can do whatever color you want. This is the color scheme that I'm going for, and you can copy it if you want. So now you got this, put a background in it, and bam, you're done. That wasn't so hard, was it? Hope you've enjoyed.